Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2023 VCE Physics. We will focus on questions related to Newtonian mechanics. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. Y is stationary, and X collides with it. Both trucks are joined together. X and Y compose a system. In this process, external forces are neglected, so the total momentum of this system is considered to be conserved. The right direction is positive, so the velocity of X and Y is positive. Using the conservation of momentum, we calculate the mass of Y step by step. Please note that both units of mass don't need to transform to kg because the mass of the options is tons. Newton's third law declares that the two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Only C conforms to this law. Ask the compression to store 0.9 J. We first calculate the spring constant from the graph, and then calculate the compression step by step. Applying Newton's third, we know that the magnitude acted on each other is the same, which is 400 N. A trolley moves down on the ramp, through two light gates onto a horizontal frictionless surface. Light gates mean that their mass is neglected. The horizontal surface is frictionless, but the tramp surface is not frictionless. Please label all forces acted on the trolley first, and a component of GF is the projection of GF on a slope. Step by step, we calculate the magnitude of this component. The direction of acceleration is positive so that the net forces are positive. The net force is a component of mg on slope minus frictional force. Using Newton's second law, we calculate the constant frictional forces. Since the horizontal surface is frictionless, the momentum is conserved. Using the conservation of momentum, we calculate the speed of the two trolleys after the collision. For 4 marks, please state the conservation of momentum first and then calculate the equations. Two masses collide and then form one mass. This collision is inelastic absolutely because deformation consumes kinetic energy. Calculate the total initial and final kinetic energy, and then find that the final K is less than the initial. So, this collision is inelastic. 4 multiple-choice questions worth 4 marks, and 1 short-answer question worth 10 marks in Newtonian mechanics. The overall score for this section is 14 marks. With a total possible score of 130 marks, the percentage for this section is 10.8% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lou's VCE Biology channel.